Hello guys, Oppo launched a new smartphone F21 Pro with new spectacular design. This time Oppo tried something unique and really focused on design. It has a boxy design and a matte finish at back. It comes in two colors, sunset orange and cosmic black, with flat edge design, aluminum frame. It comes with fiberglass leather on the back side that gives you a perfect grip. Apart from that, at the bottom it has USB Type-C port, speaker grill and 3.5mm headphone jack. This device equipped with many more features: IPX4 water resistant in display fingerprint reader, frame stabilization. Coming to the display, it has 6.4-inch AMOLED display that runs on full FHD resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, 20:9 ratio with Gorilla Glass 5. Coming to the camera department, on the top left corner there is a punch hole camera with 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor that takes bright and clear selfie in any light condition. F2.4 aperture, 24mm wide panorama HDR with 1080p at 30 fps video supported. On the back side there is a triple camera setup that contains 64 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 26mm wide PDAF, 2 megapixel f3.3 aperture microscope and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth lens with HDR panorama 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. Also there is a one more unique feature that called orbit light on the micro lens. There is a RGB ring light around the camera that reminds you of your notification, message, calls and battery indication. Even the phone is placed upside down. That really looks cool in low light. Although the micro lens magnifying subject 15 to 30 times of fabric, skin, hair, plants to explore a new microscope universe. Coming to the specification, this device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 octa-core processor, Adreno 610 combined with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage with up to 5GB RAM expansion. This device is carrying the color iOS 12 out of the box. On the battery section, it has 4500 mAh battery that enables super whoop charging at 33 watts. Although this is not might be the best flagship device, but it is a great phone for selfie enthusiasts and for photography with super sharp micro lens along with good looking sleek design for daily usage like chatting, gaming, music, video. It is a good device according to the design. At this price point, I think it's reasonable. For the further information, here are the details. That's all for now. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. Keep loving, keep supporting, smash that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace out.